This is employee Andrew and his girlfriend. I did not catch your name. What's your name?
Blanca.
Blanca. Andrew and Blanca. They are executives. Of course, work hard for people here at LMR. And what better way to see the gender than do a burnout gender reveal? Now, before we roll the car up, Andrew, are you team boy or team girl?
Boy.
Of course, team boy. Blanca?
Team boy.
Team boy, okay. Crowd, team boy, team girl. Boy, okay. All right. Girl, all right, there we go. There we go. All right, we're gonna ask Neil Jimenez to roll on forward. We're gonna kick this thing off. Blanca and Andrew both are team boy. Okay, y'all ready? That's what I'm talking about. Andrew, Blanca, y'all ready? Neil, turn them loose, baby.
Oh my goodness. No, you're not. Yes. What? Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
Andrew, nicely done, brother. Nicely done. All right, team girl. Yeah? Hey, you're gonna love me. You were wrong!
I won the bet.
You did.
I won the bet.